Ever feel like you're spending more time chasing payments than actually doing the work you love? You're not alone. For so many service-based businesses, the admin side of things, especially invoicing, can feel like a major drag. It's that moment after a job well done where the excitement fades a little, replaced by the looming task of creating and sending out professional-looking invoices. And let's be honest, a poorly managed invoicing process can lead to delayed payments, strained client relationships, and a serious dent in your cash flow. Think about it. You've just finished a fantastic landscaping project, leaving a client with a yard that looks like it belongs on a magazine cover. Or maybe you've just fixed a tricky plumbing issue, saving a homeowner from a potential disaster. The last thing you want to do is fumble with spreadsheets or clunky software, trying to piece together an invoice that accurately reflects the work you've done. You need a system that's as efficient and professional as you are. That's where Jobber comes in. Now, you might have heard of Jobber as a powerful tool for scheduling, dispatching, and managing your field service business. But beneath the surface of all those amazing features lies a robust and incredibly user-friendly invoicing system designed to streamline your payment process and get you paid faster. In this video, we're going to dive deep into how you can leverage Jobber to create professional, accurate, and timely invoices that not only look great, but also make it incredibly easy for your clients to pay you. We'll walk through the entire process, from turning completed jobs into invoices to customizing those invoices with your branding and payment options. So, whether you're a long-time Jobber user looking to master the invoicing features, or you're just exploring options to simplify your billing, you're in the right place. Let's ditch the invoicing headaches and get you back to focusing on what you do best. Alright, let's get started right inside Jobber. Once you've logged into your account, there are a few different ways you can initiate the invoicing process. One of the most common and efficient methods is to convert a completed job directly into an invoice. Imagine you've just finished that landscaping project we talked about earlier. You've marked the job as complete in Jobber, and now it's time to bill your client. Navigate to your list of jobs, find the completed project, and you'll typically see an option to create invoice or a similar button. Clicking this will automatically pull all the relevant information from the job, the client details, the services performed, the materials used, and any associated costs. This eliminates the need for manual data entry and reduces the risk of errors. Once you've initiated the invoice creation, you'll land on the invoice editing screen. This is where you can fine-tune the details before sending it off to your client. You'll see line items for each service or product you included in the job. Take a moment to review these to ensure everything is accurate. You can easily adjust quantities, modify descriptions, or even add new line items if necessary. For example, maybe during the landscaping project, the client requested an extra bag of mulch that wasn't initially on the quote. You can add that in here. Jobber also allows you to apply discounts, either as a percentage or a fixed amount. This is a great way to reward loyal customers or offer promotional deals. You can also add taxes, and Jobber can be configured to automatically calculate the correct tax rates based on your location. Now, let's talk about making your invoices look professional. Jobber allows you to customize your invoices with your company logo and brand colors. This small detail can make a big difference in reinforcing your brand identity and giving your invoices a polished look. You can usually find these customization options within your Jobber settings under Branding or Invoice Settings. Take the time to upload your logo and choose your brand colors. It's a simple step that adds a touch of professionalism to every invoice you send. Beyond the visual appeal, Jobber offers several options to make the payment process as smooth as possible for your clients. One key feature is the ability to include online payment options directly on the invoice. You can integrate with popular payment processors like Stripe or Square, allowing your clients to pay securely with their credit or debit cards directly from the invoice they receive via email. This eliminates the need for them to mail checks or manually transfer funds, leading to faster payments and less hassle for everyone. When setting up your online payment options in Jobber, you'll typically need to connect your account with your chosen payment processor. Jobber provides clear instructions on how to do this. Once connected, you can enable the online payment option on your invoices. Your clients will then see a Pay Now button on their invoice, making the payment process incredibly convenient. Another great feature is the ability to set up automated payment reminders. Let's face it, sometimes clients simply forget to pay, not intentionally, but life gets busy. Jobber allows you to configure automatic email reminders to be sent out at intervals, for example, a few days before the due date, on the due date, and a few days after if the invoice is still unpaid. These gentle nudges can significantly improve your payment collection rate without you having to manually chase down payments. You can customize the content of these reminder emails to maintain a professional and friendly tone. Jobber also gives you flexibility in how you deliver your invoices. While email is the most common method, you can also print invoices if needed. When sending via email, Jobber typically allows you to customize the email subject and body. Make sure to include a clear and concise subject line, such as invoice for your company name, client name, invoice number. In the email body, you can add a personalized message thanking the client for their business and reiterating the services provided. Once you've sent the invoice, Jobber helps you keep track of its status. You can easily see which invoices have been sent, which have been viewed by the client, which are overdue, and which have been paid. This provides a clear overview of your accounts receivable and helps you identify any outstanding payments that need attention. When a client makes a payment, whether online or through another method, you can easily record that payment in Jobber. This keeps your records accurate and up to date. For online payments processed through integrated payment gateways, Jobber will often automatically mark the invoice as paid, further streamlining the process. Beyond the basic invoice creation and sending, Jobber offers some additional features that can be incredibly helpful. For example, you can create recurring invoices for clients who receive regular services. This eliminates the need to manually create and send invoices each time, saving you valuable time and ensuring consistent billing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.